Have a great day, everyone. Today is February 26, 2025, and I want to share it to you how I cook my Alfredo pasta. Focus your eyes on my prepared ingredients. We start with chicken strips, then we boiled our pasta with fresh milk. After 20 minutes, when the pasta is done, we add 1 cup of all-purpose cream. Here we go, going back to our chicken. Let us saute our chicken with oil, okay? Then set this aside. Put a pinch of salt and pepper. The other side, we're gonna saute our onion and garlic. To be followed by our veggies. And here we put some olive and mushroom. And I put a lot of corns. I have here 1 chicken cubes. Then this one, salt and pepper to taste our pasta. Cover it, simmer for 10 minutes. It's halfway cooked. If you're satisfied, then it's ready. We're gonna mix together it with our pasta and see how it look like. It's look like creamy, delicious Alfredo pasta. Look, so what are you waiting for? Try to make your own pasta.